Our Music and Arts Tour in New Orleans is a must-do because music is New Orleans' greatest gift to the world, and because we can provide inspiration for what to do with your time in town. We cover a little of everything: music history, the music scene today, art, literature, theater, street performance, everything colorful and creative, from Louis Armstrong to Tennessee Williams to Mardi Gras. Musicians and artists are part of some of the most important history in New Orleans: civil rights, the lives of enslaved people, the preservation of the French Quarter, and lots of other underdog stories. So in our 2 hours together, we visit key historic sites like Armstrong Park, Congo Square, Bourbon Street, and Pirates Alley. But we also want this tour to be about today, because some of the most interesting music and arts history in New Orleans is happening right now. So we also walk by music venues on Frenchman Street, the art galleries on Royal Street, and the street musicians in Jackson Square. We also make sure this tour has broad appeal. We love meeting music buffs and devoted fans of the arts, but lots of folks turn up who are starting from square one. So rather than just talk about music, your guide also acts as a DJ, playing samples of local jazz, blues, funk, zydeco, and so on. And we always include bands you can hear live. Probably the most valuable thing we can offer is insight from a local about live music to attend. The music scene here is so immense and so varied from day to day that it really takes an insider's knowledge to find the best shows. And as always with free tours by foot, it's up to the guest to decide what the tour was worth. No one pays anything up front. Instead, at the end, you have the chance to pay the guide whatever you choose. We're looking forward to meeting you and helping make your time in New Orleans the best it can be.